How we doing? Welcome back to Fuck Around and Find Out Friday. It's also known as Casual Fridays over here. So, I hope you guys are all ready for another amazing day. If you guys have been paying attention a little bit, you guys kind of know I'm probably not going to have to do all that much today. I decided to play Lulu earnings, so I think this is the delay over here. All right, you guys see me now? Woo! What up, team? How we doing, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you guys are ready for a very fun and exciting day. We got NFP, we got the unemployment numbers. Very, very big day today. So let's see how the market wants to react. We're currently sitting at about 424.02 in the pre-market, up about 0.5%. And as you guys can see over here, Lulu just went on an absolute moon mission on earnings, up about $50. So let's see what these contracts are going to be worth at open. Sell them, and then basically be fucking done. So, what up, everybody? Fuck Around and Find Out Friday. It's also Casual Fridays over here. You guys know the deal. We don't wear the suit on Fridays. But yeah, let's have a great day, and let's get after it, man. And again, for all of you guys filtering in right now, make sure you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. I would appreciate it so that we can actually go out and help more retail investors learn to print money in the market in a way that you guys have never seen before. Now, those of you guys that have been with us for a while or maybe on the fence, and you guys have heard me say many times in the past that you guys get to learn from some of the best. And I say this about Gabe a lot, that Gabe is an absolute monster. Some of you guys don't believe me. Well, after last night in Market Talk, there you go. There you guys go. I'm not going to say it here. You guys know the deal in Market Talk about the year-to-date gains. I mean, it is what it is, man. You guys can go fuck around with people that are trying to lead you to the slaughter that aren't that successful, or you can come hang out with us. So let's do it, man. How's my birthday? Oh, it was fucking epic, bro. It was absolutely epic. If you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, you guys will be able to see some videos from the birthday. It was really, really cool. Videos and pictures from the birthday are up on my Instagram, short2fix1, and TikTok. So again, if you guys aren't following me over there, make sure you guys are. I'm literally pumping out good content for you guys over there. Yeah, let's have a good day today, huh? No suit, but the pearl game is still strong. Can you see him? No, I got him. Don't you worry. I got my pearls on. I got my pearls on. Don't you worry. All right, man. Let's have a great day today, huh? It's Friday. We're already going to be making some money. So, I mean, really, I'm going to be focusing in on the futures account. I don't have my SPY calls anymore. I sold those yesterday at I think 90-something%. That was pretty epic. Been pretty locked in with the swings recently. It's been fun. Just buying off of key levels. All of you guys that are in masterclass know exactly how I look for the low-hanging fruit trades. And you all have your homework for Sunday. Boom! Happy Friday, team. What up, everybody? Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps get these streams out to some more people. Let's do it. Yeah, SPY's running up here. So unemployment came in at 3.7% versus the estimate of 3.5%, but non-farm payrolls were fucking massive. So the market right now looks to be reacting really based on the unemployment rate. So we'll see what happens. Lulu, get your ass back above fucking 380, okay? How about that? How about that, Lulu? How's the data? Wild. The data was wild, bro. So, let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get. We got, what, 26 minutes to go until the ding-ding. SPY, I mean, the high is 424.63 or 20-something cents away there. No, that's the wrong way, dum-dum. Up here, uppy. Let's see. Let's see. SPY going, dude. Where's PayPal? I still have those. Yeah, PayPal up another 1%. That's pretty good. This is where I was buying PayPal yesterday, down in here. So these PayPals are looking good. The reason for that, again, those of you guys that have been paying attention that know exactly what we do, 4-hour traffic light back here was looking pretty good off of a retest of the 4-hour 13. The daily is actually starting to look really good on this thing too. The daily, when you get these daily closes up in here, you can get a daily traffic light. Again, it's thigh gapping, RSI is breaking above its moving average, MACD losing that bearish momentum here. And then if you actually get that traffic light, you could have upside all the way to that 48 here, or this key level of resistance at 66.32. I mean, it was prior support that could turn into new resistance. So that's what I would be looking at there. SPY fucking around, Lulu fucking around. Let's see. Less people are working, but they're making more. Yeah, if that was what average hourly earnings said, then yes. If average hourly earnings are up, then yes. But all right, guys, we have 14 likes away from 50. I appreciate you. Keep smacking that on the way in. Share the stream with your friends. Again, you guys are getting the best information that is out there. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I might take I'm kind of more focused on the futures account today just because of what's most likely going to happen with the options account at open. Take that money and run, and then just kind of fuck around and see what happens with ES today around 10. That's my plan. That is my plan for the day, man. Nancy, I'm still not trading. AMD and Tesla could get interesting today. Tessie does have some big meat on the bone to the downside, but who knows? Who knows? You got to see how the market's going to react once it opens. All right, team. What are we going to get? What are we going to get? Stay-at-home workers with multiple jobs are messing with NFP data. Yeah, but are there that many people doing that, bro? Like, that's insane. Like, are there really that many people doing the whole multiple jobs thing? Like, I don't think it's that many. To have, like, a double, like the actual NFP numbers be double what they were expecting. Like, that's insanity, dude. I don't know. I think it does mess with it a little, but I don't think it's going to be, like, the main determining factor of, like, NFP going absolutely fucking nuts. Good morning, STV. Good morning, team. What up, Grant? How you doing? How you doing, buddy? Okay, so now I want to ask you guys a question. We're using OBS again today. Does it still look a lot better and cleaner on the screen with YouTube? Because Restream blows. I mean, I hate that thing. It always has problems. The way that the stream comes in, does it look better? Debt ceiling being raised. Change your strategy with TLT? Nope. Nope. It actually sort of makes it better, but like the debt ceiling I mean, what, it passed the Senate, right? Already passed the House, so we're good to go on debt ceiling. We're already good to go. I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me look it up. I haven't even really been paying all that much attention to the dates, like when they're gonna do it, because we all know they're gonna raise it. Debt ceiling. Let's see. Senate passes debt limit bill, staving off a calamitous default. Ooh, big words. Big words from the New York Times. Yeah, so they passed it. You missed the QR code. I missed the QR code too. We can figure out something different. I mean, again, I'll just be throwing that link for you guys in the live chat. Video quality and sound are 5 times 5. What's that? I don't know what that is. But yeah, so for all of you guys sitting on the outside here, stream looks crisp. Good. Yeah, so for all of you guys sitting on the outside, remember, you all get your free first month to 1348.com. So again, make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that before it's too late and that offer goes away. Use code GAINZ at checkout, GAINZ, and you guys are all good to go to hop in with us in Print City. You get to the access to the best tools, all the proprietary algorithms, all the alerts, all the real-time unusual options activity, all the learning curriculum videos. You guys get everything for free for a month. Don't do yourself the disservice by not hopping in. You're going to regret it. And same deal for you guys that still need to hop into Masterclass. Time's running out for that. I know when the date is, when it's going up, and it's really fucking soon. So for those of you guys that are still on the fence, I mean, again, Masterclass is going to take things to the next level with you guys. You guys have seen all the Master members. I know we have a lot in here right now. If all of you Masterclass people want to let them know what you guys have thought of Masterclass so far, let the people know. But yeah, I think it's the next amazing step in your trading journey. So again, make sure you reach out to Diana or go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master, and you guys are all good to go. And you're just in time to watch this week's midweek masterclass and participate in the activity or homework assignment that I've given you guys for Sunday. So make sure that you guys are on that, because that is going to be one of the most important things that you do for the next year, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years of your trading journey. You like the street noises? I didn't hear them until you switched sound to solid. You can, but it's because the window's open. There was like police sirens around here early this morning, and I was like, who the fuck is committing crimes at 8:30 on a Friday? How does anybody wake up on a Friday going into the weekend and be like, I'm just gonna go commit crimes? Bro, it's the weekend. Master's a game changer. There we go, Dave. Join us. Master tier is game-changing. If you're serious about your success here, it's a must. New to class, worth every penny and more. Thank you, Steven. I appreciate that, buddy. But yeah, let the people know, man. I mean, again, those of you guys that are in there, you know the deal. You know what we're providing you. It's pretty epic, bro. It's pretty epic. You guys will get to watch Gabe trade live. And for those of you guys that are in Market Talk, you have seen what he has been able to make in the market just on that Webull account year to date. It's insanity, bro. Where was the homework assigned? In this week's midweek masterclass. So go watch that video. And make sure that you're able to participate because we're going to be going through those after the Sunday masterclass. What do I expect? It's Chicago. I don't live in Chicago, bro. So what do you expect? It's Mars. Bro, I live in Boston. Alright, team. Keep smacking that like on the win. You guys are crushing it. We do have a lot of slackers in here. That is okay, though. I mean, it's a Friday. Whatever. I mean, I'm just going to sit here and make my thousands of dollars and then fuck off. And then it's going to be great. Takes money to make money. Master gives you the tools to keep more of other people's money in your pocket. 100%, buddy. 100%. But yeah, masterclass, I mean, game changer. But yeah, for those of you guys still sitting on the outside, step one, hop in for your free month. I mean, what do we got here? Spy fucking around, Lulu. It's hunting 380. You thought I lived in Chirac? No. Why would people commit crime on a Friday? It just ruin the whole weekend? That's what I'm saying. Why would you go commit crimes on a Friday? You're just going to ruin your weekend and potentially the rest of your life. Stop committing crimes. Stupid. I should just, like, find all the people committing crimes and then just give them the gains code for trade1348.com and then just be like, bro, just do this. It's so much better for you. Let's see. What do we got? Fucking 18 minutes to go until open. See, I like playing earnings. It's fun. This is the worst part about playing earnings. Right here. This waiting for open. I don't like this. I'm like, just let me fucking sell it. Get the crimes over early so you can enjoy the weekend. Exactly. Go commit your crimes on like a Monday or something. Like, why are we doing this on start the week off right? Commit a crime. Committing felonies. All right, let's see. I don't know why I thought your name was Steve. Yeah, it's not Steve. Then I realized it's for short to Vix. Yasmin, that's okay. I'm happy that you realize that now and not like a year from now. That's good. Teach them to steal from the market, not the gas station. Yeah, bro, leave those boys alone. Leave those gas station dudes alone. They'll probably shoot you, too. If I was working at a gas station, I would be strapped, bro. Could just be a traffic accident. Well, Chad, you know what? That doesn't help my joke now, does it? Okay, I'll make a joke about that. Why are you crashing your car on a fucking Friday? Why about that? We need more go-getters in the crime industry. All right, Chad. Why are we crashing our cars on a Friday? That's just ruining your weekend. Next time you think about getting into a car accident on a Friday morning, don't. Okay. Now, you might be like, hey, SV, what if you get into a car accident on a Friday? Well, you know what? First of all, I don't go anywhere. Second of all, I don't have a car. Don't need one. I got assaulted by Mercedes for a lot of money to get rid of my car. That's how much I didn't want my car because I didn't need it anymore. You need a gold Cuban chain instead of the pearls? Or how about both? How about that? I was thinking about adding like another set of pearls. Steve, the ankle lover. Bro, whoever fucking put their ankles as their screensaver, that made me laugh for a solid 10 minutes. Why are you wrecking your car on a Friday? Exactly, bro. What the fuck are you doing? All right, Lulu, that's what I want to see. Ideally, I want you to break these highs and go to like 390. That would be sexy of you. All you like white women out there that like love Lulu, fucking help me out here, huh? Come on. Come on, help me out. Let's go golfing. Both. Genius. Ah! All right. Hey. I thought we had something here. I thought we were. All right. Fuck you. You still have it as your wallpaper? God damn. All right, man. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I mean, again, I'll wait and see what the market wants to do. I really just want to focus on getting out of these Lulus and then figure out what I want to do after. But team, there's about 100 of you guys that have not hit the like button yet. You fucking slackers. It's a Friday. It's a fucking Friday. You're gonna... Let's go shopping! Sorry. Where'd you get in on Lulu? I don't even know. I bought him like 30 minutes before close yesterday. I mean, I have 285 puts, which are going to go to 0, and then 370 calls. Which are probably going to be up a fuckload. Not if it does this, though. Uppy! Yeah, we need uppy on Lulu. That's what we need. It was just an earnings play. That's all it was. It wasn't like, oh, yeah. No, it was just earnings play with the math in the way that I've taught you guys time and time again. Carvana cancels exchange offer for up to $1 billion of notes. Oh. Hi, PayPal. Hey, bud. I have PayPal calls, too. Oh, is it Lulu? Bro, if I make like $5,000 on Lulu today, like, I'm gonna have enough money to buy like one thing. I'm gonna have enough money to buy one thing at Lulu. Fuck yeah, bro. I think I have technically like credit, not to Lulu, but like to somewhere else that has Lulu. Let's see. 13 minutes until the ding ding, and then we can go make some money. What the fuck? Fuck you, Lulu. Get back above 280, you motherfucker. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, I got some gems to post for you guys on TikTok today, too. These are going to be fun. These are going to be fun. I like making these TikTok and Instagram and YouTube shorts for you guys. They're fun. I like them. I get to have a lot of fun. And I can crank them. Alright, SPY. I mean, if we can... So, here's kind of what I'm looking at for another, like, low-hanging fruit trade. If we get up to, like, 430, I'll buy some puts. Because the level... Actually, no. That's not the level. It's, like, 432. It's this. Yeah, 431.73. If we somehow get all the way up here, that'll be my next level to go short. Or up here, 425 is not bad. Ideally, still, I would okay. So here's kind of what I've done recently, and I'll show you. I'll throw it on the hourly so it makes more sense, so you can see them all. Okay, so first level at which I was buying calls down here. This was the 410 gift that I was screaming from the rooftops. That I was like, no, this thing's bouncing. And this was mainly a debt limit thesis off of a really, really key level on the daily. So this was the first time that I was buying calls, nailed it up to here. Sold them a little too early, but that's fine. Then we got another sell down to 416, a 4-hour level, which is what, again, I was talking about 2 days ago. Bought calls down there. Scaled out, bought some more when it came down here, and then rode them all the way up, I believe, past 421, and then sold the rest of them. So I don't have any calls here, but this is basically what I've been doing with the low-hanging fruit trades. So you could see another one, a little sell-off at some point, maybe next week, down to 420.79 around this level here, and then maybe I'd go long off of that. You have to be careful, though, because you could test that 418. So that's kind of what I'm looking at, but if this thing just does a straight shot to like 431, that would be my level that I would want to like go short the market at. That's just what I'm looking at. We've been pretty locked in with these swings off of these key levels, so see how well this can continue. Lulu, what? Okay, whatever. Do you size for 0 for the earnings play? Yeah, always do. Always do. So, it'll be a fun one. See where it goes. What up, SCV and peeps? What up, Chameleon? How you doing, buddy? Remember, team? Oh, we got a lot of slackers in here. We got 24 likes away from 100, but there's 186 of you guys in here. Slacking motherfuckers on a Friday. Again, all of you guys get 1 month free to trade 1348.com too with code GAINZ, GAINZ. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. And time for to get into Masterclass is running the fuck out. So if you guys don't get in there, I mean, soon, you're going to miss it. And that's going to be really sad that you're not going to be in there with us. At these super low prices, and it's okay. I mean, again, we want the most serious people coming into Masterclass that are willing to actually take the time and learn. If that's not you, it's perfectly fine. Mic's a little hot. Yeah, it's because I'm talking right into it. I can sit back a little bit, so like if I'm right here, you guys can hear it fine, but if I like zoom into it, it'll do that. Why did I just say zoom into it? I'm whatever, bro. Master's worth every single penny. Matty T, appreciate you, buddy. Let's see. All right. 9 minutes till the ding ding. I mean, I do have a limit on this. On Lulu. I might move it, though. Because if it's up here, the limit's probably going to hit. If it's down fucking around here, it's going to be a little iffy. Gonna be a little iffy. Tesla? What's Tessie doing? Fuck all, nothing. I mean, it's up 1.3% of the pre-market, but like currently it's doing nothing. Same kind of deal with the SPY here. AMD I could be interested in today, but if I really nail this Lulu, I'm not touching. Because I also had PayPal calls. So, we'll see. We knew what you meant. Thanks. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it, team. Oh yeah, make sure that you guys are follow me on TikTok and Instagram too. One of the videos that I'm making for you guys today is how I'm gonna explain the story of how my parents had me tested as a kid. So yeah, so that one's gonna go out. Don't miss that one. It might be too long of a story to put on YouTube, so make sure that you guys are over there with me on Instagram and Twitter. So those stories are fucking funny. The crack story. I was gonna tell the story about how like I was accidentally an international drug smuggler for like a week, but then I was like, if that video blows up, I like really would prefer not to get thrown in federal prison by accident because I didn't do it. I mean I didn't do it. It wasn't me. It wasn't drugs. It was just cocoa leaves. It was like a fucking leaf. Leave me alone. I didn't even use them. They got stale, and then they turned into dust. And then, okay, hold on. That's a really, really bad way to frame it. Fuck. They got stale, and then they crumbled a little bit. It wasn't quite dust. You couldn't do anything with it. But then I threw them out. I didn't even know I had them for like a month. I didn't know. Leave me alone. The kidnapping story? Yeah, did I tell the kidnapping story yet? Oh, no, I was recording the kidnapping story, and then Gabe called me. Yeah, okay, so I gotta do the kidnapping story, too. Because for those of you guys that don't know, I was kidnapped as a kid. Say no more. Bro, I was 17, I was a minor. I was a minor. You cannot do this to me. It was an accident, and I was a minor. No. Don't come after the minors. Alright, fuck. Alright, well. I was kidnapped. What else did I do? My parents had me tested as a kid because I stuttered and I was wearing my underwear outside my pants. Now look at me now, Mom. I'm just kidding. The selling of your child is much more inflammatory. Yeah, but that's not like a story. That was just me talking shit on the internet. Ooh, 7 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Lulu, uppy. Yeah, hopefully I entertain you guys sometimes because like pre-market, there's like not much to talk about. Then like some of the time in the market, like there's just not much going on. When I was a kid, your folks had one of their friends drive up to offer us candy from a van just to see what we would do. That's fucked up, bro. What else happened to me as a kid? Oh, my dad knocked me out one time. And then I proceeded to dislocate his pinky by accident a few years later. Then he had to go to the hospital. That was bad. I have one story that I can't tell that is so epic. It has to, I'm not even going to say what it has to do with, but it's so hilarious. What else? I don't know. I got some funny ones if I could think of them. I don't know. The kidnapping one, watching people smoke crack at work, like those are funny. Captain Underpants? Bro, I thought I was Batman. You watch this show? Hey man, I like to, I don't know, I got some weird ass stories. Then there was the time I got roofied last summer. That was pretty epic. Wasn't even bad. Like I just woke up the next morning and was like, oh no, what the fuck? That was an interesting one. I could tell that story. That's a pretty funny one. Yeah, I'll write that down. Accident or payback? No, it was an accident. What am I looking to play today? Nothing. I'm looking to sell my fucking Lulu calls and be done. Let's see. You're in a house that got raided by the SWAT when you were 6. That's wild. That's pretty wild. I don't know what to do with that, but that's pretty epic, man. All right. 3 minutes to go until the ding ding. Thoughts on the 4-hour light up on Baba Select? Is it 4-hour traffic lighting up? I don't know, man. I mean, it's... Fuck. Okay. I mean, it would have been a good trade. It's just there's less meat on the bone. The play was the retest here. We've been over this though. The problem that I have with Baba, you can see it on the, it's better on the daily. You can see it here where, yeah, you come down, make this big low, this 58, you rip up to 120, cool. You come down to this range where we love to rip out of. You can see come down, rip, come down, rip, come down, rip. The problem is that I mean I don't want to go into like patterns and all that shit, but like you come down, you don't make a new high. You come down, you don't make a new high. You come down, I don't know, man. I mean, if it can't get above 90.43, I think you're kind of fucked. But again, like I probably wouldn't buy calls above 91.43 either. So I'm gonna let this thing kind of burn a little bit. I think did I make money on the last Baba? Because I played it up in here, I think. Yeah, this was the one that I played that I was talking about on Wolf Financial Spaces. How much time we got left? 2 minutes? Yeah, I mean, you got a nice little gap up. Baba was up nicely yesterday, gapping up today. It's not bad. Come on, Lulu. Fucking pay me, bro. This would be epic. 30-minute traffic lights? Hey, man, if it works for you, I mean, I don't trade those. I think you're going to be super late. All right, we got 1 minute to go to see how much fucking money that we're going to make today. I mean, it's going to be in the thousands for sure. I just don't know how much. I have a general understanding of what these contracts should be worth at a minimum. I just don't know what they're going to, like, be worth at open. So, I'm going to load this up right here, kind of see what they're willing to give me on this, adjust, sell half of it, and then see where this thing wants to go. So, we got 30 seconds to go here, team. Make sure you guys slap that like button on the way in and are getting your free month to trade1348.com with code GAINS. Welcome to the Friday stream, where SCV shares with you all of his federal and international crimes. I'm not telling you all my crimes. I'm a law-abiding citizen, okay? Alright, 6 seconds. I just want to see what these open at. The spreads are going to be fucking epic. That's it? Ain't no way. Hold on. I just want to get a damn fill, bro. That's it. All right, they filled me on half. Cool. Hold on. That kind of sucks, bro. They kind of jacked me on that. I think I'm just going to ditch it here, I think. I mean, I've already realized, like, all the money, so. Yeah, let's see if they give me this. All right, they filled me. I'm out of Lulu. Okay, whatever. That's fine. Still a good day. I'm up, well, off of that, 6.74%. Cool. Cool. Not bad. Not bad. Good day. Whoa, SPY. Holy shit. Look at this movement to the upside there. Where's PayPal? Because I still have those. Yeah, PayPal ripping. What am I up on these? 35%, 36%. Scale out a little. Order filled. Sweet. Sweet. So, solid day. Easy money. Easy money, man. Keep slapping that like button on the way in, team. Let's get after it. Dude, SPY is on a mission. Yeah, so, I mean, I thought these were going to be worth way more than they were. So, I mean, I still nailed it. So, you made 150% on SPY? Good shit. Yeah, I mean, my 420 calls for next Friday would have been up a lot more, but I don't really give a shit. I was up 90% on them, so we'll see what happens here. Gonna be looking for some futures trades in a little while. Not doing anything really here, though. I mean, let it go. Like, let this thing fly. Do what it wants to do. If you guys are up a lot on some things, I mean, you guys know the deal. You guys know the deal with what you need to do. All right, man. So this is a level on the daily that we're at right now. If you look at this on the daily, it's where is it? It's this. No, is it this? It's this. I think it's it might be from the 4 hour. Unless I'm just stupid, which I could be. Huh, maybe I was looking at something else. I thought 425 was a level. Bots are already done for the day. 4% overall on the port on that pop, dude. Again, we have the... Dude, I'm telling you guys, those of you guys that aren't in there with us, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Our algorithms with our strategy are fucking killing it, bro. Killing it. Nvidia pop, did it? Yeah, I mean, you're popping right to a level. I wouldn't chase that. All right, give me 2 seconds, guys. I got to turn the AC down a little so it turns back on and grab my second coffee. So, team, make sure you guys are slapping that like button on the way in. We got a lot of slackers in here, and I will throw you guys the link before I go for like 2 seconds to make sure that you guys get your free month. Use code GAINS, free for a month. All right, I'm back. No. No. Fuck you. Hold on. Let me see what these. Fuck you, Lulu. Ah, what were those? What are those at now? I mean, that's not really that big of a deal, honestly. That's not really that big of a deal. They're not, the IV on them is kind of cranked. That's kind of why they're not moving that much. I'm not upset about that. It's like back at where I sold my initial one, so like whatever. Nvidia hits $1 trillion in market value again. Holy shit. All right, guys. You guys ready to have some fun today? All right. I don't want this on my screen anymore. It just has the ability to piss me off, which I don't want. Okay. Let's see. All right, folks. Tassie getting a little jumpy here. Shares of EV makers advance as China to extend purchase tax exemption for new energy vehicles. All right, that's really it. That's really it there. IWM calls 4% done for the day. You know, if you work the 10 hours, Jesus, bro. Frey, good price to get in. If it's a penny stock or it's a bullshit company, I'm probably gonna make you upset. What is this? Frey? I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. I just, like, I don't know what this is. Battery company? Nah. You got a lot of fucking resistance over here, dude. A lot. You're up over 5% on the day. There you go. What's up with Home Depot? Let's see. Ripping a little. Could just be a little rotation. Could just be a little rotation. Bro, you have fucking ripped up here. I mean, I would honestly be looking to take ES shorts, but like you just broke all the levels, all of them. And I'm on the 1 hour. I don't need to be on the 1 hour anymore. I don't know. I mean, Frey, I don't know what it is, really. So it's hard for me to give an if you know it well, I mean, again, for long-term investments, guys, you can't really there's nothing that I can tell you that's going to be like, oh, yeah, good long-term invest. It's just like not. I don't know your situation. I don't know your cat. I don't know what you did. It's all tailored personally to people. So, again, just do your own research on that. I can teach you how to trade, though. Let's see. Woo, we got a lot of people in here on a Friday. What's up, team? Keep smacking that like button on the way in if you haven't already. Let's see. Like, I'm not going to... Whoa. NASDAQ hits highest intraday level in over 13 months. Last up over 1.1%. Nice. Let's see. CIA chief made a secret visit to China. Cool. I guess. Much love, STV. What up, peace and love. Much love to you too, buddy. Spy just going Rip City here, dude. Spy is just going Rip City. Watch this 426 break. Little shoot here. Yeah, here we go a little. Here we go. Wow, dude. Where's AMD? 120. Okay. Where's like my other babies? Facebook. Ah! Oh, I'm making so much money on the long term. Where's Dick's? Let's see. Alright, my computer's just deciding to be slow as fuck. Awesome. Wasn't this at like 145 or something? Hold on. What happened to Dick's? Oh, that's... Yeah. Oh. Great. As of today, I've recovered 25% of your account. Since trading with you in the mornings, I've almost 200%ed your account. Folks seriously need to follow you and smash that like button. Dude, that's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what people are doing. I don't know what people are doing. Then I hand them on a silver platter their free month to trade1348.com, which is going to take my teachings that we do here in the morning even further. Hey, man, why are you guys, some of you guys scared of making money? I don't know why. It's great. I love making money. Jobs data already came out? Yeah. Yeah, it did. Yeah, so I don't have very much left of these PayPals, which is fine. I'll probably hold them. It's not, it's like inconsequential to me at this point. I mean, this thing just looks like it wants to go here, dude. Like, this is, the problem is, yesterday we had like a nice little bait and switch day to the upside, and you're ripping it open today. So for futures, if they're not here, they're lost. I mean, that's true, man. Again, I tell you guys all the time, everybody's getting led to the slaughter out there. And that's why we created trade1348.com. And we've made millionaires. 2 so far. Goal is 10. The goal is 10. Dude, this thing is epic. Look at this. Hold on. I'm going to check where Lulu is, and I'm probably going to cry. I'm going to probably do some crying. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, gemmed it there. Lulu back down to 373. Fine with me, bro. Good trade. Good earnings play. Easy money. Easy fucking money. I'll say. Dude, we've got a lot of you guys in here today. Let's see. We still got over 100 of you that haven't hit the like button. If you wouldn't mind tapping that, let's see. I mean, again, if you do hit 500 today, we do have a lot of people in here. You will get ankles. So, there you go. There you go, bro. Nancy slipped 400. I don't like any... Where's Tessie? Tessie screaming. Tessie screaming, bro. Let's see. No mask class? Yeah, I don't think he's doing them on Fridays. Fridays are weird days. It's like... I typically don't do much on Fridays either. Why ruin a good week? Like, you guys saw me last Friday. I did 0. I took, like, 1 trade. Or I sold out of, like, some swings. That was it. I sat here all day. AMD come back up. Why are you trying to buy AMD calls below the 200 EMA with a traffic light to the downside? That doesn't make sense. That's not following the rules, Angel. Good morning, Vixen, everyone. What up, Benjamin? How you doing, pal? Again, you guys heard me get a little spicy last night. I mean, I don't give a flying fuck about, like, seriously, if you guys aren't going to follow the rules and then complain, what do you expect me to do? I lay things out for you guys to a T every single day. In the videos, Gabe's done it. We all do it. If you're not going to follow the rules, I mean, we can't help you. All right. 9:45. 15 minutes until 10. I don't think there's any data at 10 today. Yeah, no. We might have a Fed speaker later, but other than that, nothing crazy. Let's see. Let's see, team. Sitting around watching price action. Yeah, I'm up real nicely today. Up real good for the week. Easy money. Pay me. You're watching Apple downside? Yeah, AMD should be slipping pretty hard here. Yep, there it is. Let's see what it does at this 3-minute 13 test. Hey, you're creating a range. I don't hate this. So, big shark right here on the 3-minute, down to the 3-minute 13. Ooh, that's big. That's big. Up 7.71% on the large port with only 10% of your port used. Done unless low-hanging fruit happens. There you go, Moto. Nvidia selling hard. Yeah, I mean, everything's starting to come down. With that SPY can't... Holy shit, Nvidia just fell $6. Fucking Jesus. $7. Bro, Nvidia from the high... That's a $10 move. Oh my God. Yeah, AMD getting mollywopped here. So, I mean, again, if AMD ends up getting down to these, like, 116.80, 116.54, maybe I would look to go long. But you got to see what happens with the SPY here. Nailed that move down. Oh, fuck yeah, Logan. Pirate, smack the Nvidia put. This is what it's all about, guys. It's not about follow trading bullshit that all of these people are trying to shove down your throats. That is, if anybody, like, is going to make their core concept, oh, follow my trades, that is going to lead you to the slaughter and you should run. Even when Gabe is going live in the morning with you guys and is like, oh, he's live trading, it's delayed. You're not supposed to take them. It's about thought process in learning. You guys all have been able to learn all of the things that we talk about every single day and then nail these trades without me saying shit. That is exactly what I want from you guys. 27% on Nvidia. There you go. You feel like a time traveler again? You picked up another 2% on the port? Good shit. Good shit. I mean, I was thinking about it, but not after what I've done on Lulu. Like, I could take a little willy-nilly trade later in the day today just for funsies. So, we'll see what happens there. Got that SPY drop, another 15%. Fuck yeah, guys. There we go. All right, I mean, we've got some levels in here that we could fuck around with. Let's see. You know how I got successful? Wasn't by following other people's trades. Even when I was learning and I would see things get called out, I would never, ever, ever take them. Why? Because I was not the person in control making the decision. You have to be a control freak with your trades. And that is why I've given you guys that homework in Masterclass. So, again, for those of you guys that still need to hop into Master, make sure that you guys do that before Sunday so that you can watch this week's midweek Masterclass and participate in the activity that we're doing because it's going to help you guys completely transform the way that you look at the market for the better. So, oh, fuck yeah, Algo. There you go. Let's see. There you go, buddy. All right, guys. 5 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Oh, good shit, buddy. 66% basically there. All right, here's 950. So, I mean, I have my little range here. Let's see. All right, let's see what we got. It's fuck around and find out Friday. You had fun? Nice, buddy. There you go. Dude, PayPal. Oh, you monster. Thank you. Nice little 4-hour traffic light there. Those of you guys that are on platform, you guys saw that one. Shout out to whoever called the PayPal 4-hour traffic light out yesterday from platform. That's a gem, dude. That's a good trade. Do I have a merch store? It should be like in like down below the stream here somewhere. You don't have to buy them though. I literally made those for me to have, and then if you guys want them, you can buy them. I don't think I've ever talked about my merch before. I don't care. I make 0 money on merch. I don't give a fuck. If you want it, go for it. I don't think I've ever taken a withdrawal out of that merch account ever. Like, I don't even know if it's still active. Like, I think it is. It's just kind of there, you know? Okay. $240% on that Nvidia put. Good shit, Elgene. You fucking beast. Where's Lulu now? Where are they now? Oh, emotional damage. Yeah, I'm happy I was selling on this candle here. These 2 candles that I was selling on, that's fine with me. Let's see. Frey. Dude, I don't know why it went up into the search box. That battery company. Dude, that Nancy put, epic. Yeah, for AMD, in order for me to go long for either a big day trade or a swing, I would need it down at 116.50. Which is a really big drop from where it is right now. I don't know if I'm going to get it. If I don't really give a shit. I am up a fuckload of money today. Can we get Sunday Masterclass with DJs that lose brain cells the night before? Bro, I'll wake up and my ears will be all fucked up too. I'm like, shit. My friends and I, we go to the club so much now that like we have to start wearing ear protection. Like that's how much we're fucking degening it out here. It's fun though. I have a great time. Love the playground, bro. Never had a bad time at the playground. I might end up there this weekend. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have like lunch or something with like the guy that I always book through. I don't know. Hopefully he makes money off some of my bills because he's probably made some of like a decent amount of money. All right. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get it on AMD, but this is still not really where I would want to fuck around with it. Yeah, SPY's screwing around here at the 13. What are we going to get? Up 35.9% on the port for the day on QQQ, way up and back down and walking away. There you go, winning loser. Is the playground in Tucson? Well, there could be somewhere called the playground in Tucson, but I live in Boston. So I just call the club that I go to all the time the playground. I should call it home because I'm there fucking all the time. And I love it. It's very fun. I'm weird, guys. I can't stay out late at a bar, like a normal bar. I'll lose my mind. I can't do it. There has to be like something going on. Like a part, like I can't just stand there and drink. I would rather be at home on TikTok most of the time. Up 50% on Tesla calls. Have a good weekend. Good shit. That's the other thing too. If you guys make money, fuck off. Don't sit here and watch me. I have to deal with me sitting here and watching the charts all day and making sure that I don't overtrade. You guys, if you make your money, fuck off. In the nicest way possible. Like, in the nicest way possible, please. Do something else. Do I dance at the club? I mean, I don't know. You know what I love to do at the club? My favorite thing of all time? Sit down. That's my favorite thing to do. I love being able to sit. Spy just kind of rimming here. Where's the 5-minute 13? Okay, let's see. But I do love dancing. AMD came back up there, 50 cents. That's not bad. I mean, it's thigh gapping, but I would be careful with that. Lulu got hammered. That's fine. I mean, I drilled it, so all good in the hood. I wanna take you away. All right, we got a level on the SPY here or on ES at 4261. Let's see if that holds. And then the high of 427375. That's what we're looking at here, team. Trade 1348 gives you the freedom to pursue your passions, whether that's spending time with the ladies or crafting furniture, writing a book, whatever it is. 1348 helps you get there. Yeah, it does. Again, I can lead you to the water, not the slaughter. I would never do that. But I can't make you drink. So you guys all have the opportunity to get your first month free and your opportunity to get into masterclass before the prices drastically increase. So again, make sure that you guys are taking advantage of all the amazing things that we have to offer, or get left behind. Let's see. SPY slipping again. Heck yeah, Dance. Have you seen his swag? Bro, swagged out. I got my pearls out. All right, that's a slip of the little low there. So, let's see. Slip, slip. 3 minutes to go until 10. I wanna take you away. Do 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 do. You glad I can program better than I can spell? Fair enough, bud. You turn down gigs from boring venues? Yeah, bro. The where I go is fun land. Yeah, no, I'm not taking that. I mean, you do have a hourly level at 4243 on ES. Let's see. Tigers being stubborn. Up or down? Target's starting to try and rally back up here. Maybe it's... I mean, maybe now it's time. I mean, I would love to see this thing retest later today. Maybe I'll try to get my revenge on Target. Revenge. Sitting down in the club and watching everyone devolve around you is American pastime. No, dude, I just like to sit down because I don't like standing in a fucking crowd. I hate it. I hate it. I do it sometimes, but I go... sometimes I will go to the playground sarcastically. Like, I will go at, like, 12 and then just, like, bop around. And then, like, all the people I know there will be like, bro, what are you doing? Where's your table? And I'm like, nope, I'm just here, bro. They're like, do you want to come to one? And I'm like, sure, I guess. Like, fuck it. All right, this is big moves down. We're coming down to the 5-minute 48. Let's see what we want to do here. That's pretty aggressive. You've never been to a club? You'll have to show me the playground. Elko, bro, I don't know if you can handle the playground, buddy. It's a lot. There's a lot going on there, bud. We can go. You gotta be ready to just, like, let out your inner degen. All right, 48. I mean, there was this entry, but, like, there's no way in fucking hell I was taking that before 10th, so. Cool. Let's see what we get. You can try? Hey, we can definitely try. Oh, 1 like away from 150. Thank you, folks. I appreciate it. Keep slapping that on the way in. Let's do it. All right, 10 a.m. Here we go. I wanna take you away. I have a feeling these price movements today are going to be so fucking aggressive. I just might just be like, nah, unless I see something really good. And then I definitely won't trade the afternoon today. That I won't do. It's a Friday. I'm green on the week on the futures account. Not as much as I would like to be after the 2 stop outs yesterday. Still green though. If you can enjoy a drink, you should love the club. Here's the thing about the club, though. You're not just having a drink. You're having 15. All right, SPY getting killed. Let's see. You are coming down to that hourly level of 424300. I mean, you've got like 10 points to go until you're there, but after breaking all those levels of resistance and then coming right back down, my bias would be down. It's just already made the move. It's already made a pretty aggressive move. I mean, like, this candle's like a 5-point candle. That's huge. Let's not scare Algo. He'll be fine. You'll be fine. You won't die. You might get, like, cirrhosis, but you won't die. Actually, that would cause you to die, so you won't get cirrhosis. Nancy, you fucking fucker. Yeah, see, this is what I was saying about AMD. Be careful with it. I mean, you double bottomed here. Yeah, I'm just watching ES, seeing if I can catch something good. I mean, there is this that I could take. This right here. Except in order to... Yeah, that's insanity. I don't know, I kind of fuck with it. All right, let me go to the bathroom for like 2 seconds, and then I'll come back and make a decision. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way and give me like 2 seconds. See, that still sucks. That just still blows. Where's this? So it would have to... I mean, that's not that bad. Okay. Let's see what we got. Alright, so you're retesting this 5-minute 13. Oh, they're not giving this to me. I get impatient. I'm like, I don't want it. Yeah, there was no entry there. You're moving back up. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Alright, guys. Keep slapping that like on the way in. JP Morgan President Pinto says economy looks okay for now. Doesn't see a crisis. Pinto expects Fed raise rates about 5%, then pause. Oh, to about 5%. It's already at 5, you fuck. Is this dude just, like, not paying attention? I'm, like, 99% sure it's at 5. Yeah, 5.25. So, I mean, are they just saying we're going to stop right now? And there's this. I don't know. Are they going to give me anything good here? Alright, let's see. Ooh, shark. Shark, shark. Let's see. If they did 2 more, the market would die? Not necessarily. New 5-minute candle coming. Dang, how many points, how many ticks away was I from this? That was a point, 4 ticks. Okay. Gonna need something better than that, man. Gonna need something better. I mean, there was that, but, like, I don't like that. I don't like this. This blows. Could do it off of here. What time was that? Nope. You got a 1-minute traffic light on the SPY here. See what this beast wants to do. SPY will see new 52-week lows. No, it won't. It's not going back to 348. That's insanity. It's not really any thesis for that. It's just, oh, let's kill it. No. It's a bit silly, if I do say so myself. Okay. I don't know who the fuck you're listening to, but Jesus, they are leading you to the slaughter, man. We've been bullish since April. I think you can see 400. I do too. So I sort of missed an entry, but not really because I didn't like it. I really did like one of these entries, and it just wasn't giving it to me. So I was a point away from an entry. I'm not really all that upset about that. There was another one, but that would have been like... Yeah, I mean, I would have been fine, but that would have been close. So, let's see. Let's see what we get here. Did I hold any of those loose to the put side? Did they burn? I mean, I've got them, but they're going to be worth nothing. They were, last I checked, they were worth like $1. Yeah, they're worth $1, dude. Like, not $100, a single dollar. But I nailed the calls. I sold those calls for like 600-700%. Good morning, bro. Any news reporting today? Not anymore. We already got it. But yeah, use the economic data calendars. Just type in like economic data calendar and you'll have it. There's one called like, I think there's one called like Forex Factory. There's another one. I use the Market Watch economic data calendar here. Let's see. Are we coming up to like... Yeah, we are right there right now. Except the risk is so shitty. It's like fucking 10 points to get back to the high. I want to see a day high break and then look to go short. This market's a little bit on crack, though, so if I don't get what I want, it's not the end of the world. Still finishing green on the week on the futures account. 10% on the port and done for the day. Thanks for scamming me again. No problem, buddy. Remember, guys, make sure that you're upgraded to Masterclass. before it's too late and those prices go wildly up. And all of you guys sitting on the sidelines there you go. Free month to trade1348.com. Use code GAINZ, G-A-I-N-Z at checkout, and you get a free month. All of you guys should be in there coming and testing it out and actually like starting to make money in your first month. Why are you guys so scared of making money? You're like, oh, I don't know. All these people, they're making millionaires. You see it in the live chat every single day. I don't know. It's like, nothing's going to change about your current situation unless you take action, and it's going to be very difficult for me to help you without you understanding what's in the curriculum. So I was looking at like a little SPX trade off of this, but I was like, why bother, man? I'm already so fucking green on the day. QQQ turning up. A lot of things are turning up here. Like, I don't really want to go short, but if it gives it to me, good. It didn't give me the long entry I wanted, and right here doesn't make sense to me. 1 minute 13 rim could get interesting. But that's so, like, like, that's so risky. I don't know, man. If it gives me the long entry from before, I'll take it. It just has a long way to go down for that to hit. Here it comes. Nope. Let's see. What's green in the market besides SPY? Oh, nothing. That's just factually incorrect. Tesla up 3%, PayPal up 1.25, Target up 0.4, AMD, the chip makers are down a little bit, but there's a lot of things in the green. 3 trades, 6.7% on the port. Fuck yeah. We'll only take a trade I love at this point. I mean, you should be doing that anyway. But that's why you guys all have your homework in Masterclass. So make sure that you guys complete that so that we are all good to go going into... Here we go. Let's see. 200 EMA on the 3 and the 5. Where I mean, I'm just looking at this on the 1 minute here. Yeah, you're right on the 3 minute 13. Most of it's red. You said everything is red, which is factually incorrect. And also, why does it matter? We don't take trades based on what the market is doing in general. We take trades on what looks good in that time frame. Let's see. Not doing anything. Cool. So that means we don't do anything. It's problem solved. Let's see. Yeah, nothing much. Tesla new high. Yeah, we got slackers. Smash the like button. Hey, don't be a slacker, team. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think they're going to give it to me here. I'd love it if they did. It's just a long way down. If it did it, it would be quick. Bink. Let's see. Oh, that coffee's fucking horrible. Oh, God. Still gonna drink it though, but that is just horrendous. Where's Apple? Flat. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, you just bounced off of the level on the 1 minute from where it was trading before 10. You did come up to here. Okay. Do I use tap water for my coffee? Yeah, but that's usually not the problem. I think it's the ice, which is tap water. It's usually the ice that fucks it up. It's trying to break those 1 minute levels here. It's 4261 that it's trying to get down through. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to test this 48 here. Slip 425. Yeah, it's getting there. Up 7.13% on the port and done for the day. Thanks, Spy. There you go. There you go, bro. It's holding 425 here so far. This move could just be quick down to the 48 and then a bounce. If it's going to do it. I mean, who knows? Where is it in here? What is this level? 424.63. Okay. Yeah, there's the slip. There's a little slip. No. It's just fucking around at the 5-minute 13. I mean, there's this, but that blows. I want that. I want my fucking level. Hit it. And then make me money. That's what I'm looking for. It's that time again. Let's go golfing. You think I'd be better at it, but whatever. Ralph, what's your handicap, buddy? What's your handicap? Here we go. Not yet. 10? That's not bad, bro. That's not bad. Bro, are you fucking serious? That's the one that you decided to fucking bounce off of? You fuckers. You mother... Fuck you, bro. They're not gonna give it to me? Oh, come on. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Fuck you, market. Handicap is mental? I would say that you would need to figure that out. Go to a doctor, get something to help you out with that. I can help you in terms of like my trading lessons and my videos, but if it's a severe issue, you're gonna should probably get some help. You're one of the best of the worst and the worst of the best. You're fun to play with. That's your game, having fun. Dude, me too. Like, I'll have rounds where I'll shoot like fucking 73 and I'm just out there fucking around. God damn it, bro. They just want to fuck around it with it and give me a level where the risk blows. And I'm not touching it. I don't want a level at which the risk sucks. I want my level where the risk is decent. And I have to wait for it. But I don't even think it's going to do it. 7.2% up on the port and done. Dude, this is just a wild day of gains. Again, team, I'll throw that link in here for you guys again. There you go. 1 month free. 1 month free. There you guys go. Is an alarm going off? Yeah, it's outside. It's some asshole's car. I'll turn the mic so you can't hear it. Alright, that's pissing me off too. So now I'm going to have to close my window, which sucks. Fuck you. It's like hot out today and I like it. Yeah, they're not giving me that either. Frick you, bro. Just like the opportunities that it was giving are just like there's too much risk. I'm not like this would have been another banger. Not taking it though, because there's just too much risk on the board with it. No, still too much risk. I don't like it's just moving too aggressively. You bought 3 425 calls yesterday, dirt cheap, made massive gains today. Good shit, bud. Good shit, dude. I had the 420s for next Friday off of 416, which were disgusting. Those were fun. Nailed Lulu earnings. Okay. You thought it was a gas alarm at work? Yeah, I turned it off. I should shut the window. Is it like off now? Yeah, we're chilling now. I don't hate AMD here. Need some help from the SPY, though. They were for today. Very risky, buddy. SPY made your day. Now it's just bleh. That's how I feel, too. I mean, I was trying to get fills. Never got them. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. I mean, there's like 30 minutes left till 11 for me to want to take something. I mean, that one would have been good. I just didn't like the risk. I like being able to set my risk below or above a previous low or high. And the levels at which the market was offering me were not enabling me to do that. So in the event that it came down to just test the low and rip back up, I would just get stopped out. So I didn't take it. So whatever. Maybe I'm just being a little scaredy cat. I don't know. But when you're up this much, you don't do much. You just wait. The risk paid big. Yeah, well, imagine if you were watching this and listening to me when you could have been buying them at 416, bro. It's almost a $10 move. It was a $10 move. You gambled it, you won. But you got to realize that you gambled it and won. Like my Lulu trade, like I'm not going to sit here and say, oh yeah, the thousands of dollars that I made on Lulu are me being a genius. No, it was a gamble on earnings. You know the debt ceiling passing would cause market positivity? Okay, so here's the thing. You're just late on it. I was buying calls at 410 and 416. Those were the debt ceiling areas to buy calls, not yesterday. So please be careful with that. But yes, you're right in your thesis that debt ceiling is probably going to come up. The thing is, though, is that you could have easily saw a sell the news event. So in my mind, when we started to see more, and I told you guys this on Monday, that I expected to see somewhat of a sell the news at some point throughout this week. That is going to be a great opportunity for call buying, which was 416. We got it. We nailed it. And then you saw a little bit of a rally up. Could we see a little sell the news next week? Yeah, we could. We could, depending on what happens over the weekend. Yeah, dude, if they don't give me anything during this like hour when we're like 10 and 11 when we're live and then I stop the stream, I'm not trading futures today. I just want my damn level, bro. Oh for 2? Yeah, I mean, the swings were paying big today. If you're 0 for 2, you manage your risk, perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. I've taken a total of 0 day trades today. Don't need to. $25 a piece, not bank breaking money. Oh, so you manage the risk fine. That's okay. That's perfectly fine, James. You're going to manage the risk well. I can't say shit. Like, if you're like, I want to gamble on something crazy, and then you're like, I threw $10 at it. I'm like, all right, fair. Do what you want to do. It becomes a problem when people start putting, like, large percentages of their accounts in those types of trades, and then they fuck themselves, and they wonder what happened. They're like, hey, what happened? It's like, you're a dickhead. That's what happened. 6th green week for QQQ. Yeah, dude, tech's been ripping. It's been ripping. All right. $115 a piece. That's good, man. That's really good. Sometimes I think I should buy some closer expirations on those swings that I have because I've been so locked in, but like I don't want the reason that I lose to be timing. I want the reason that I lose to be me being wrong. Can we get an AMC or text check? Absolutely fucking not, bro. Yeah, I really don't like much here, dude. I just don't. Green week secured. Just gonna chill. 31% on the PayPal swings, though. Those are pretty good. I've scaled out a lot of those. I tried to get a fill yesterday for more of them, and I just couldn't do it. Didn't give it to me. Target RSI, head and shoulders. Stop with the chart patterns, bro. Chart patterns are bullshit. What are you doing? Let's just draw shit on the chart. No, stop, please. Please, 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 please. Okay. We've been over this many, many times in the past. Here's why chart patterns are complete and utter bullshit, and all retail investors should stay away from them. There's a wide variety of reasons. Okay, cool. What does everybody start learning? Chart patterns. 90-something% of traders fail, and if you're going to do and look at the market the same way that they do, you are probably going to fail as well. That's step one. But let's take it a little bit deeper. Why are chart patterns actually bullshit? Well, if you look at them over time, you're not going to see the same pattern show up every time. So there's not uniformity in terms of the setups that you are taking. There's always going to be something slightly different, so you can't backtest it, meaning that you can't understand your win rate and you can't understand your risk to reward in any meaningful way. So then it basically, when you take that element out of it, it just becomes complete fucking utter gambling in the market based on, oh, look at this fucking chart pattern. I think they're complete nonsense because of those specific reasons, and I have never, ever, ever heard an argument that is good enough to even change one of those. Nonsense. Nonsense, dude. The sooner that you guys understand that, the sooner that you're going to be having success. Actually, they're not. Actually, they are. Remember all those days where I was fucking around and I was like, oh yeah, bull flag, right? Oh, puts. Fuck your bull flag. Let's see. SPY moving back up. UCAR. Got it? Yeah, just like, think about it logically. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Do you think, like, market movers are sitting there and being like, oh, it's a head and shoulders, short the fuck out of it? No. That's not what they're doing. Oh, bull flag, let's buy it. No. That's not how it works. Let's see. Let's see. It's a cup and handle. Let's fucking buy it. No. No. Get that shit out of here. Let's see. And it's all subjective, bro. It's all subjective. It's like, no. It's not a trading system. And this is why I've given you guys your homework in Masterclass. There you go. You only have one active trade as of now. 420 put for the 12th. I don't hate that. What if you want to actually invest in a company? Completely different game. Completely different game. Yeah, you can use some sort of like technicals, levels, momentum, and things like that to get an entry. But in terms of a long-term investment thesis, no. You're not using a fucking cup and handle to buy AMD long-term to hold it for 10 years. That's silly. Long-term investing is very, like, sort of simple. You have to have a very baseline understanding of their financials, even though they are pretty irrelevant in today's marketplace. You still should know them. And then it goes down to what's the story with the company, what is the future prospects of it, and do you think they're going to be around for 10 years? Investing is subjective. When you take a trade, it should not be subjective. The chart should just be screaming at you, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, according to your system. Oh my god, it looks like a Batman. Let's fucking short it. Alright, let's see. Yeah, SPY is going a little. Nothing crazy, though. Nothing crazy. Getting sold right back off into. Yeah, don't like much today. Couldn't get my fill on ES. Is what it is, man. Don't think I'm going to be able to trade any futures today, which is fine. Finished up the week nicely green. And just move on to next week. This week was a little bit weird with the futures. I mean, Tuesday we fucking killed it. The account on Tuesday was up like what, 12%. Then on Wednesday made a little bit of money, got one stop out and a win, so made like I'd say probably about 1% that day. And then yesterday 2 stop outs, but still green. And then today I don't think I'm gonna get anything, so we'll see. You guys can hate it all you want that I'm calling your chart patterns fucking nonsense, but your portfolio is probably going to reflect chart pattern performance. You kept a few free 430 calls because you paper handed 421 yesterday, and they went up by 1,600%. Good shit, buddy. Good shit, Moto. How does the ES chart look right now? Yeah, I mean, so it did give another opportunity there for the level that I hated. That was just had too much risk and then ripped 10 points. So there was just too much risk on it, dude. Like I'm not going to be taking it if the risk is too much. It just in terms of like where the stop would need to go. You want to actually invest in a company right now? Go for it. Have fun. Knock yourself out. If you like a company right now, it is your prerogative to allocate your capital wherever you see fit. It is not up to me. It is not up to anybody else. 426.38 is the high. Let's see if we can get up there. Like, seriously, these are the things that, like, nobody's going to tell you. Like, you guys can sit here all day and be like, oh, I want to do this. Guys, that's why 90-something% of retail investors fail, because they listen to that bullshit out there. They're like, oh, I'm going to do this. Imagine there was, like, a situation where, like, okay, all of these people that jump off this, well, 90% of people that jump off this ledge die. And then you're like, I think I'm going to jump off the ledge. Fucking, let's see what happens. That makes no sense. Like, all right, here we go. Yeah, you're like basically a point away from the high on ES here. So let's see what it wants to do. I mean, this could just be Rip City today. I almost don't want any part of it. Like now, if it breaks, I'm not taking it long. That's crazy. Like, there was some good opportunity here, just not for me. The only one that I wanted was that's very, very specific level down below, and it never hit. This is the discipline that you guys need to have in trading. If I want and I'm interested in buying off of a very, very specific level and that level is not touched, that does not mean that I move it to a different level and just willy-nilly it because I decide that I want to put risk into the market just because. That's not how trading works. Let's somebody fucking ripping it out here? Oh, it's a motorcycle. All right, you're pushing the high. Did ES do it yet? No, it's really close though. Like real close. Yeah, you're like 15 cents away on SPY. Let's see. Let's see. I'd love to see it break. PayPal back up. There we go. Still crushing it today, bro. Absolutely crushing it. The motorcyclists are annoying. Bro, there's like a little like dirt bike gang that like goes through like all the parts of Boston. It's kind of epic to watch though. Like they fucking pop wheelies and shit. It's cool. All right, 5 cents away from the high. Let's see if it wants to get through here. If it, yeah. So it tapped the high here on ES at 427.375. Just tapped it. Tibbity tap. This actually I wouldn't hate if it broke and then rejected and sold back off to like the 5-minute 13. Here it goes. New high on ES. There you go. All right. Off to the races. Let's see what this thing wants to do. Bro, this market is insane. I love it. The next AI tech behind NFTs. NFTs are fucking bullshit. In my opinion, but I don't know. I bought AMD. My average on AMD is 1139. So, I mean, I'm cranking it there. I mean, there's probably going to be a couple of other AI companies that pop up. Palantir could be a real interesting one right now. I don't know. Don't ask me for investment advice. Go, like, find them. I'm not going to tell you. What are you, trying to get me to commit crimes over here? No, not going to happen. I mean, Palantir is an interesting one, though. Yeah, dude, I wish my fucking level got hit. This would have been like a 30-point move. Yeah, I wish I bought Tesla back then, though. Like, the AMD position is killer. But, again, like, Tesla would have been a good buy. Dude, this thing is a unit this week. That's kind of why I was looking for long. Even though we were, like, breaking above everything and, like, super overcooked on some of the time frames, like, if you just look at the price action, the buyers are fucking here. Unless they want to crack it from here and start to take profit on a Friday, which, now that I think about it, the afternoon move could be very interesting to the downside. I tried to catch it yesterday. I was just too early on it. So this was the second stop out in here when it just started to break up. So right as it broke this high, I was out. But then you see it just tanked. There wasn't really an entry here, but like this thing is on crack. Couple more candles here, you might get something. Woo, we are 25 likes away from 200 as well. Keep smacking that like button on the way in, team. Let's do it. Yeah, keep chopping at the high. Keep doing that. Keep chopping at the high. No. No, bad. Bad market. Fuck you, market. I mean, the level to retest is what? 427.375. Okay, so it broke that. Told you about Bitcoin around 2015. You told him I'd look into it. Never did. He did. Oh, I bet he's rich. I bet he's rich. Okay. Nope. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we got 9 minutes left. This thing just looks like it wants to fuck around. Yeah, the ranges are big today. The ranges are very large on these candles. Like when it breaks a high, settles in, and then rips right back up, the ranges are large, which is not I'm not the biggest fan of that. Same. DOG? Later, buddy. SPX almost at 4,300. That's crazy. Dude, I know. It's ridiculous. This thing's ridiculous. It's fine. I mean, we knew this was coming. We've been talking about this for like April. Like, remember in April when I started telling you guys? It might have even been March. Like, after one of the rate hikes came out, I was like, yeah. From now on, all the data that's going to come out is probably going to be taken as net bullish, even if it's neutral. And we were spot on. I think it was from like 390 all the way up to here. It might have even been 385 on the SPY. It's pretty good, man. And then we've just been nailing the swings, just like drilling them off of key levels. It's been awesome. So that's what 1348.com is able to provide you guys. Yeah, don't think I'm going to get anything. That's cool, though. It's all good. Maybe I'll do something later in the day. I don't know. I mean, you can see some profit taking going into the last 2 hours. This I don't really want to touch. Happy Friday, everybody. They're suckering in call buyers so they can sell calls at inflated premiums. I agree with you. I think they're definitely doing that. That's why I was a buyer at 416 and 410. Those were the two key levels that made the most sense to buy calls off of. I'm out of all my calls. I don't want anything to do with it anymore. What I would be looking for now is two things. One, a really big rip up to 432, and then look to get short, very short term, not like market collapse, or a retest of 420. It's not exactly 420. I think it's like 420.77. Yeah, 420.77 down here. That would be the retest that I would look to then go back long off of. Just in terms of the levels. But we talked about that this morning. Those are the few things that I'm looking at. But again, you don't have to do anything. Like, again, guys, I haven't done shit today. Zero. They will drop it to torch all the open calls. Right, and I will be a buyer there. Fine by me. That's what they did twice over the last 3 weeks. And I've drilled all the moves. I was early on the last SPY trade. Got stopped out on it and then drilled it back up off of, I think it was the 410 move. I think that might have been the one I got stopped out of. But he went 410, 420, back to 416, up to 426. So it's been a nice little trend. Just buying the key levels. Just buying it when people hate it, dude. Like, that's the thing. Like, when everybody was screaming market collapse because of debt ceiling, I was buying calls, and I was talking so much shit on Twitter. I was like, oh, fuck you guys. You're seriously going to tell people that the debt ceiling is not going to get raised and the market's going to collapse? What are you, fucking 2 years old? Seriously, this is what I'm saying when people are just getting led to the slaughter. Even if somebody's neutral, it's like, oh, they might not raise it. Shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. They are always going to raise it. They have no choice. If you guys watch the video that I put out about it, and you watch until the end, I go through every single thing that would happen if they didn't raise the debt ceiling. And it's Armageddon. It's all no more American economy. You're fucked. New highs on SPY here, I think, right? 75. What's the height of this candle? 74, yeah. New high on SPY. ES too, it's just slowly trending up. So, I mean, I could get upset at myself for not taking the orders off the higher level, or taking the trade off the higher level. But in general, though, if I'm looking at markets every single day, I wouldn't have bought that. That would have been more just me buying a retest, not following the system that I like to trade. So I don't really have a problem with it. Does it suck that I didn't make a couple $1,000s? Yeah, it does. Did I already make it on the options account? Yup. So do I care? No, sir. Don't give a shit. 18% on the port. Let's go golfing. There you go, Mark. So maybe in the afternoon I get my move. Keep the wrist tight. The propaganda was strong. Right, they're always going to do that. Janet Yellen's going to come in here and be like, wow, if they don't do that, it's like, shut up. Like, you don't know, and again, like, people just don't know what they're talking about with most things. And that's okay, but you are basically going to be the person that's getting harmed from it. Like, if it's just a normal person who just doesn't know what they're talking about, that's fine. If they have an audience, fuck you, because you're just leading people to the slaughter. There was a guy on TikTok and Twitter that has a bunch of followers that was saying this, and I was like, I could not imagine the amount of money that is about to be lost by all of these people listening to you because you said debt ceiling market collapse. It's the same exact thing when I said ape was a pile of shit. And then I was so pissed off all the time that other people were saying it's a good idea. Look what happened. Look what happened. Like, people don't know what they're talking about. And that's why they're them, and that's why I'm me. Built different. Let's yeah, slow day, man. Slow day. But yeah, make sure that you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram. I've got a lot of content coming out later today for you guys, and over the weekend. So prepare for that. That'll be fun. It's just Short the VIX 1 on all those platforms. So whichever one that you use more, or if you don't use one, use the other. Same deal with Twitter. Short the VIX 1. Ape was forced dilution. Not even that. Yes, it was. But it was also fancy convertible debt. So remember all that, like, death spiral financing, all that nonsense? It's the same shit. It just looks slightly different. It's like a pile of dog poop with a bow on it. It's like, oh, it looks different, but it's still a pile of shit. Dude, SPY is on crack right now. Look at that. Look at that. And again, I will say things that will probably make you feel emotional. First of all, cut the shit. Get your emotions out of the market. But at least you're listening. At least you're listening and hearing the things that have been said. Do not make the same mistakes again. I am here to help guide you through the markets every single day. It's up to you to either say, that's an interesting point there. Maybe I should listen to some of these points being brought out. Or, no, I'm just going to listen to these other morons that have led me to the slaughter every other time. And that's fine. If you want to do that, don't come complaining to me, though, when I told you. It's like a kid that, like, sticks a hand on a hot stove and then, like, yells to their mom. It's like, the stove burned me. Why did that happen? After the mom was like, bro, don't put your hand on the fucking stove. It's like, fuck did you expect? Dude, the 427 is epic. Look at this shit. It's just going, bro. That's fine. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. All right, guys. It is now 11 a.m. That is going to be wrapping up the week for me. Team, again, I'll throw the link in the live chat for you guys here to make sure that you guys all have access to your 1 month free to trade1348.com. And for all of you guys that want to participate in masterclass with us in the awesome thing that we're doing for you guys this weekend, make sure that you guys upgrade. But I mean, honestly, probably before today so that you guys have enough time to do your homework for Sunday, and get access to all the other wonderful things, man. The live trading, it's delayed. You're not meant to follow trade like a fucking idiot. But, again, all the new indicators, all the new masterclasses, the new learnings, and we take it a big step further with you guys in there to make sure that you have the best tools that you need. So either reach out to Diana, go to platform, just say, go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master, and you are good to go. But team, that's it, man. That's it for today. Peace!